bakit pinapayagan natin na magbenta ng vape online? Sino dapat ang may regulation ito? Binebenta, meron pa nga vape na may kasamang marijuana. Ito sa Shopee, binibenta tong vape na dapat hindi. Meron Shopee. Oh, dito po Shopee. Attorney Jen Hansegovia. May Lazada rin. Bakit pinapayagan nyo na magbenta ng vape sa inyong platform?
Good morning, Mr. Chair, Senator Tulfo. Actually, we have policies in place that are compliant with the vape law. It just so happens that perhaps there are some bad actors on the internet that are able to sidestep the regulations that we have in place. Like for example, for Shopee, we actually require all our sellers of vape products to post their business registration documents and their BIR registration on their seller page. And we also we have proactive measures wherein we screen the platform and we do sweeps so that sellers or products that are not compliant will be taken down.
Po, Mama, attorney, kasi pag binibenta mo ito online, madali nang makabili ang mga kabataan natin, mga minors. Kasi unlike yung sa tindahan na pupunta doon physically at hanapan ng ID, o ikaw ba ay 21 years old, papakita niya ID niya, o sige go. Pero pag sa online na, kahit na siguro 10 years old, pwedeng bumili.
Mr. Chair, on Shopee, we have strict age verification systems wherein we require buyers of, particularly to vape products, we require buyers to verify their age. So we use the ID that they submit when they open an e-wallet account. So we rely on the ID that they submit for that to verify if they are actually above the age requirement, which is 18 years old. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Okay, pero pwede pa naman silang gumamit ng ibang account. Pwede silang mag-utos, pwede silang makiusap. Tama? That's still possible.
Unfortunately, Mr. Chair.